guys, welcome back to another minute. In today's video I'll be looking at headaches. So aches are pain in any part of your body, so you can have headaches inside your head or a toothache or a backache, etc. Now there are different types of headaches. You have headaches called from sinusitis, so the pain is in your brow or your cheekbone region. You have cluster headache where the pain is in and around one eye in particular, and then you have tension headache where you have like a band in the forehead region squeezing the head, so it's like tension building up, and migraine, and where you get pain with nausea and changes in terms of your vision. It is usually affected by light and sound. So what are some of the remedies for headache? So most commonly you have peppermint oil, which is very important especially for tension headache, cinnamon, ginger tea, magnesium, which is found in a lot of green leafy vegetables. Yoga or exercise can improve it. Cayenne pepper, fish oil, and hot or cold compresses. As we said before, exercise can basically release tension that is caused or causes headache, right? Caffeine, also in the forms of your coffee or other caffeine containing substances. You can take a nap. Yes, sleep can improve headache, and as we said before, hot or cold compresses. So separate and apart from natural remedies, there are also medications which you can take to help relieve your headache, such as ibuprofen, acetaminophen, panadol, etc. All right, so that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.